Now, when I'm doing this, I like to put the terminal in the wire and then kind of hold it with my finger. Now, this is 20 gauge wire, so I'm going to use this 1820 crimp there. And if we look real close here, we can see that the top of the terminal folded in nicely. We don't have any frayed wires, nothing sticking out. And then to do the strain relief, I'm going to go one size up. I'm going to use the 1814 there. I'm just going to flip this over. Now, is this technically correct for this? No. Does it work great? Yes. Give this a little pinch on the sides, and we're done.